Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you fix all Directx error, how to download and install all Directx official. So very easy guys. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type, Windows key plus R key type, and type here XDIAG. After click on OK, here there's a version, that is. After open and type here direct, click on enter. Download director, click on download, click on save, after I accept the remit, check this box, click on next and download. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix all direct error, how to download and install all direct. So very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video or full download. Thank you for watching.